It is the 16th staging of a cross-country invasion, and we launched this morning as we come to you live from St. William Grand Park, downtown Kingston. Welcome everyone to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time. It's the last day of January. Welcome everyone who is here with us. Say good morning.
Especially to that little girl in the St. George's Girls Primary uniform.
There you go. We welcome everyone on onespotmedia.com, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at Smile Jam TVJ, and also on televisionjamaica.com. Great to have you with us. It is television, so I don't have to tell you that everybody is here, but everybody is here. Morning, yes. Empressita.
Good morning, Neville. Good morning, team. Good morning, Jamaica. I want to say, how are you doing? My people, everybody say no more violence. Say we love we country. Oh, my people, it's so good to be here with my colleagues. We are going to be here up until what time?
Well, the show officially ends at around 9:15.
We're going to be here till 9:15, making you smile, making you laugh, and just putting in the good energy that you need. What happened to my people?
It's all right, I'll get it for you. It's all right, I'll get it for you.
Thank you.
No
You
problem.
know, there's one gentleman on this show. Well, Extol, I don't know about you, but...
No, he's a super
Good morning, Extol. Thank you, Neville.
Good morning,
Morning,
good morning,
Delia.
everyone. Anybody have no...
Good morning, everyone.
Hi, Dahlia.
Everything that Empress just said,
Yes. Except, Empress.
Except.
You did not big up your people.
she did.
One people
One
she big
people.
up.
Yeah,
Oh,
she cut it in the middle. You never said
Why
my
do you
people.
have two
You
people?
said my people. and then you
Sakina,
said- Yeah.
you're an actress like Delia.
Yes.
And I heard that Simone impersonated me the other day on Smile. Did you all see that show? I missed it. So I want to see it over again. And I want Sakina and Delia to judge whether or not Simone can really do a My People impersonation.
Come see.
Let's go.
Sure that you're an actress.
Let's see.
I don't know what you're talking
Show
about.
me what you did.
I didn't do a thing.
My people, good morning. My people, my people, my
Well,
people.
no.
There you go.
The other two people them couldn't take you, so them just leave you. So it's just one people you live with.
No, sir.
But it is great to have everyone. I have a little story to tell. Yesterday, myself and Delia.
You couldn't make the other people them say morning.
Oh, she talk already.
No, ma'am, it's a
No,
morning.
it's a
Good
morning.
morning.
Don't-
Don't say morning,
What you did?
everybody.
Yes,
Again,
sir.
again,
Morning,
hug up,
everybody.
again, hug up and
Say
kiss.
good morning. I don't want anybody
This
to
is
go
the
to up
artist
in
formerly
manners.
known as Extal in the shades in the night.
No, again, hug up and kiss.
Come on.
Already.
So
and
yesterday,
everybody up there.
Delia and I, we were speaking on the show in a very serious way, and I am being serious now, and we were asking everyone to be less aggressive driving on the road. Having said that, I drive out of RGR, and I run straight up into someone's back,
The back or the back of them
the
vehicle?
back of the van.
All right. This
I was
morning,
distracted.
Make we talk about
Money.
super lotto.
Yeah, I could talk about
And
money
when we
in
leave here,
Sakina
make we go
pocket.
buy some number.
So, I went into the service station. It's another story,
But
this.
Lord
Don't
have
tell the
mercy.
story.
Don't tell the
Do
story.
not tell the
Right.
story.
Oh,
beside
Simone
me.
know the story
She
already.
vexed. So I go into the service station, and I said, I feel like I don't win nothing in a long time. Somebody give me a number. And there's this elderly lady with her granddaughter, and she said, give Uncle Neville a number. And she just said, Duppy. The little girl.
Well, you
And
are
guess
not
what's
up
the-
in-
What
What's
year
the-
yesterday?
And I said, what number is that? And she said, 1.
So guess who win money?
Well, the end of the story is that I win $26,000.
But hold on.
So you have money to
hold
give
on. You're Obia, man.
Him better take you fix back your car.
I know, right? It'll come in handy.
But you know, Neville always wins.
That's the
He
problem.
does.
And I always
does.
tell him, when you get a
Give
vision
me.
or a
I said the
number,
same thing, same.
sharing is
Yeah,
caring.
but
So the rest
if
of
it
we
is,
can
hold
get
on, no,
money.
if it's my vision, me going, if it's your vision, is you must buy me, can't buy your vision.
No,
I can
of
buy
course
yours.
not.
No,
Oh,
we
you
are buying
get
your
people
vision.
get raped. When
are
you
buying
say
your
the
vision.
little girl gain.
Yeah, the little
Anyway,
girl,
Please,
she
you
just,
could
You should pass on
Well,
the money,
anyway,
give the money
my
And
back
the
to
people.
little girl, him should have give the money.
well, I was
agree.
just going to say, sorry, I tell the story, because I know she expect money from me. I'm in a
Yes,
plan
just
figure.
you know where to find him.
You
little
don't really
girl
plan
and
figure,
grandma.
My people,
Yes, my
welcome to
person.
Cross Country 2020.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
We are live from St. William Grand Park.
Bring it back.
And a child shall lead them. And if you have a vision of the number that will play tonight, let us know. However, we welcome you to the show. And we want to tell you what's going to be happening on the show today.
Yes.
We are going to be talking to the CEO of the RJR Gleaner Communications Group, finding out what the plans are for 2020, brand new decade, brand new plans and brand new greatness on all our networks. We'll be talking to the promotions manager of CALS. Who else?
Carol Ivy.
Yeah.
Steppa is going to be here.
You mean Stepper? Let's say talk up. You must have talk up.
Yes,
But he's
yes,
representing
Stepper.
Digicel at
You're a stepper.
today.
All our brands are with us this morning, by the way, which is why it's a cross-country invasion. So we're going to be talking to the folks from the Star, from Fame 95 FM. We're going to do some little Jamaica moves.
What the
this
new
morning.
station name?
It's not new. It's rebranded.
What's the rebranded station?
Radio Jamaica.
Okay, so you're other
Active for the good of the nation.
You stand for what? What do you stand for,
What do
girl?
you stand for?
Me?
Yes.
May I stand for respect?
Yes.
I think if everybody respect everybody, half of the things we are going with us stuff.
Empress, what you stand for? Your children's.
I stand for emancipation of the mind. I stand for reparation and repatriation. I stand for re-engineering of my people.
You're
We
fine.
are poisoned.
No, you
We
stand
have.
to a
You want me to start?
No,
what
we
else
are
is on
right,
the
we
show?
are
What
right.
else is on the show?
No,
Fine,
we
you
are
should
right.
have known
Can we
better.
say what else is on the show?
Yes, sit down like a bit.
We don't
Stop
know who
stand.
to
Your
get
foot's
tired
supposed to
very
tired. Hold on there.
Yeah?
Yes, I'm sorry. Empress took it
yes,
like
yes,
with,
she did.
yes,
She
she
did
sure
all of
did.
it.
All
All
right, so
of
we,
it.
we're talking
what
to
is
our
there to
sponsors.
say?
We're talking to our brands, as you said, and we're letting you guys know what's going to be happening over the next 5 weeks of Cross Country Plus. Big show at the end of the broadcast. Lots of entertainment taking us until 9:15
Yes.
this morning. It is nice to be in front of the ward. It's lovely to be in downtown Kingston.
I'm just wondering
Very
if,
truly out
if
here.
Dewey and Muscle are going to make it
Let me tell you what happened, right, guys?
till 9.
Dwayne is always taking my shirts. Right? Now imagine, look at Dwayne's size and look at my size and him want to take my shirt. Dwayne have on a small shirt.
Dewey,
The shirt
Dwayne?
is medium.
Dwayne,
Come
come here, get up and show them. Just show them why.
Come Dwayne.
You can bring off that shirt. Look at your muscles.
Yes.
Gosh.
Watch out,
Oh
watch out.
my gosh. Oh, don't stretch, don't stretch. Don't stretch. Oh,
Him
okay.
pants a go bus and
Yes.
his shirt a go bus.
Yes.
You know, if him belch that shirt, they done.
Oh my gosh. Why is it so cold down here?
It's cold.
It's cold.
nice and
We're
cool.
close to the
Breezy,
waterfront, so
Cold,
you know,
man.
the breeze.
Breezy.
Okay.
Simone works close to the waterfront.
she work inside.
Explain to Simone that the waterfront is down here.
She work,
She work
inside.
inside.
She's not accustomed to the early
It will
breeze.
sit there. It's cold
It's
too.
She don't
not
see it
cold.
in her new
It's
building.
nice. It's
I
nice.
do
will
see
soon
it.
be
Have a
hot.
beautiful view of
Oh, you have
the.
an ocean view?
What?
Me like it.
The view's beautiful.
Uncle
Beautiful.
Simone.
It
I
will
tell you.
soon be hot, Simone. The sun will
Exactly,
rise.
so
What time
enjoy.
will the sun come up?
I don't know.
What
Soon.
time?
6:52 and
Bet your
27
bottom
seconds.
dollar that.
I want to ask you guys a question. The mayor tweeted yesterday that he is thinking of a walk of fame a la Hollywood
Like a star.
for
like
downtown. Yeah,
that would be
yeah. So he's
cool.
putting stars, or that's one idea
Who
he's
goes
gotten that he
first?
wants to pursue.
Bob Marley.
So
Miss
if
Lou.
you were to advocate for somebody getting a star, who would it be?
Louise Bennett.
Louise Bennett,
Bob would be first.
Bob.
That one that's tough.
And you see it, I forgot on it too.
I'll give you 2 stars then.
Well, Bob
Yeah,
and
two
Miss Lou for
stars.
sure.
Okay.
Can I-
Empress?
I agree with everybody, but I think
What's
we would have to give Leonard Howell, because when we talk about Pinnacle and the beginning of Rastafari in our country, which has been one of the fastest growing movements, religious groups globally, it started with Leonard Howell and Pinnacle. And I think we would have to give it to Leonard Howell alongside the right excellent Marcus Messiah Garvey. If I were
Yeah.
to advocate, I would give Leonard Howell
And
and
you see him.
Marcus Garvey before Bob Marley and before Louise Bennett, because they came first.
Yeah,
well,
and after
yeah,
all of that,
Louise and
choices.
Leonard
after all of
around.
that, nominate. Never.
Never
Never
Bell?
Bell?
And
Oh,
deserve
God,
a
no.
star.
Hey.
What is him gonna walk on the feet, or he's gonna be on?
No,
What
man,
do you
he
mean?
must get a star.
He deserve a star.
Oh, me think him
No, well, he could, because he's probably the only one here with one of those extensions to his name called O something. O D.
Oh, I thought you're gonna say only one ear was here when Leonard Howell and
Well,
Garvey
he
was
is,
here.
he is the eldest.
Oh.
So, as my Baba,
elderly.
Baba, I must give you the star, Baba.
No, I am proud. I am very proud that I was here with Leonard Howell. So I could give y'all stories.
Tell us one.
Eh? There's the Ward Theatre.
Yeah, I know that. I used to
story
go in
already. Give us
there and
another
perform.
story.
sir.
Talk about the Ward
You know,
Theatre.
I used to come, and I'm being very serious.
Yeah.
As a little boy, I think everybody know I am 67 years old. I used to come downtown. You have to dress up to come downtown. King Street was there was a store, I don't know if it's still La Parisienne,
Yes.
that used to sell some wonderful
I
stuff.
hope so, no.
That
Oh,
Paris-
yeah, they were.
It's in
Yeah, they were.
7th Avenue now.
7th Avenue Plaza.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
downtown,
that's
King
it.
Street was a big thing when I was a little boy. And I'm being very serious. When I left Jamaica, there was no New Kingston, you know.
There was a
No.
racetrack.
Yeah, New Kingston was bush when I
Dirt.
leave Jamaica. When I come
Yeah.
back and see New Kingston, see me, I went there.
So you know what? Go away and come back and see if something can go on.
Or does he just not
Neville,
want
I
to
have
go
to ask
away?
you though, did you ever attend any concert shows at Ward Theatre?
No, I've never been to one.
Right. So I went the other day,
I've
which
never
was
been
my
to
very
one.
first experience to the launch of Ward Theatre, and I kind of was like, it's like when I walked in, I could feel the spirit of the history. And I'm very excited to see what will happen. I'm looking for Sakina and Delia on the stage in Ward Theatre
Yeah.
over the next few years.
I
mean, it's
performed
gonna
there
be
when I was a
amazing.
kid.
Me too.
Yeah,
I've
used to
never
go
been
to
there.
CDC.
Yeah, I did
It's
too.
going to be,
Yeah,
when it's
JCDC.
restored to its former glory, it's going to be
Multiple times on
amazing.
Never been there.
television, it's amazing.
Amazing.
All right.